Now back to replacing capacitors on that Abit motherboard, VH6-II Roman 2. We removed 4 capacitors, 2200/6.3 volt, and inserted, cleaned up the holes and inserted the 4 replacements. So one is already soldered, and we're gonna solder a few more. So they're all here. So we're gonna just gently apply. So here's so it's pretty much done. We're just gonna make sure it's straight. So it's all good. So we're gonna cut the excess. And we're gonna move to the third one. Let's see. Make sure it stays solid. No movement. Okay, that's pushed. Okay, that one is done, and we're gonna cut the extra stuff. Now we're gonna solder the last one. It is here. Let's check, make sure it's okay. It's all good. Tight. So these 4 are done. So we're gonna so these 4 are right here. These 4. Brand new, replaced, all firmly soldered, and we're gonna do some more. We're not gonna show everything, but this is pretty much the process.